Hello, my name is Andrew Romans, and this is my Sudoku Solver. Start off here, the user can press the left or right arrow keys to choose which puzzle they want to solve. There's a notifier on the right side of the puzzle that shows whether or not the puzzle is easy, medium, and hard, as well as the number of that puzzle. In total, there are five easy puzzles to pick from, five medium puzzles to pick from, and seven hard puzzles to pick from. Once you have decided which puzzle you want to solve, all you have to do is press the enter key and it will solve the puzzle for you. Um, all three, easy, medium, and hard, can be solved. Something I'm actually very proud of. And yeah, so, and also if you want to compare the results to the puzzle that I chose it from, which was the source given to myself and the rest of the class, all you have to do is go to the variables. Within those variables, puzzles, and then for instance, we were looking at puzzle 12. Puzzle 12 is number 209. So if you do want to just double check with the results, all you have to do is look at that and then find the solutions on the website that you gave us. Um, as far as the code goes, uh, when it's loading the puzzles itself and you're going through it, it just prepares the grid, which sets up the squares, the 9 by 9 squares, and then with the determined space, it fills it with the proper puzzle that you selected. On enter, it runs basically the 9net rule, which goes through each square in 9net and row and column, flagging and finding any easy picks. Um, Once that is over, it looks for any single flags. Single flags is in it's the only flag in that square, the only flag in the 9net of that number, or the only flag of um, that number in the row or column. And then if it does, it picks that, it fills it in, and then it removes any corresponding flags that are contradict any other flags that are placed. um, Once that is over, it then checks to see if the puzzle is complete. If it isn't, it reruns the nanette rule. When that has a chance to go through again, it removes any repeats. Um, Once it removes any repeats, like that just could happen to be there that it missed, it then looks for double inference opportunities. Um, Once it finds an opportunity for double inference, it then looks for the exact same square of that double inference. So it then will, if it does find it, then it removes any of those flags that are contradicting it. Once that is over, it looks for, again, runs the check for single flags method, um, which then moves on to checking if the puzzle is complete. And if it isn't complete, then it'll just run through update again, checking to make sure just until it solves the puzzle. Um, and other than that, I think that's it. Yeah. Hope you hope you enjoy my Sudoku solver. Um, I'm quite proud of it myself. Oh, and one last thing before we go, just so you can see it. If I get rid of this right here, as well as check for single flags right here, you can actually see the flagging of each puzzle, and its process in doing so, which is pretty cool to look at. For the future, I definitely would like to see if I can get it. You can actually see the process of it happening rather than just then just pop up automatically. But that's for another day. Okay. Thank you very much.